The world beckons, calling out to the adventurer in all of us. Your 2024 travel bucket list is here to inspire your next journey. From bustling cities to tranquil temples, every corner of the globe offers a unique experience. Our world is a tapestry of diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes, waiting to be explored. Join me as we unveil 10 remarkable destinations to ignite your wanderlust and make 2024 a year of unforgettable adventures. Paris, a city that needs no introduction, where romance permeates the air. The Eiffel Tower pierces the sky, offering breathtaking panoramas, while the Louvre Museum houses masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. Journey to Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan, where history whispers in the breeze. Magnificent temples like the Golden Pavilion stand as serene sentinels, and in spring cherry blossoms blanket the city in ethereal beauty. Be energized by the kinetic pulse of New York City, a metropolis that never sleeps. Times Square dazzles with lights and energy, while Central Park offers a green oasis amidst the urban hustle. Chapter 4. Rome, the Eternal City. A city where ancient history and modern life blend seamlessly. Stand in awe within the Colosseum, a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Imagine the gladiators and roaring crowds that once filled this iconic arena. Marvel at the beauty of St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City, the spiritual heart of the Catholic Church. Its stunning architecture and profound history captivate visitors from around the world. Chapter 5. Cape Town, where Table Mountain meets the sea. Ascend Table Mountain for breathtaking views and explore the vibrant V and A waterfront set against the iconic backdrop. Chapter 6. Sydney, a symphony of sun, surf and culture. The Sydney Opera House stands as a cultural beacon, while Bondi Beach offers golden sands and azure waters for surfing and sunbathing. Be enchanted by the architectural wonders of Barcelona, a city of creativity and artistry. Antoni Gaudi's masterpieces like the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell captivate visitors with their whimsical designs. Be amazed by the futuristic skyline of Dubai, a global hub of innovation and luxury. Ascend the Burj Khalifa for panoramic views and indulge in the opulence of the Palm Jumeirah. Get swept away by the vibrant energy of Rio de Janeiro, where samba fills the air. Ascend Corcovado Mountain for views of the Christ the Redeemer statue and relax on Copacabana Beach. Our journey concludes in Bali, the island of the gods, where spirituality and natural beauty intertwine. From Ubud's rice terraces to Seminyak's beaches, Bali offers a sanctuary for the soul. Our virtual adventure ends, but the inspiration we've gathered from exploring diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant cities will last a lifetime. Each destination offers unique experiences, from savoring local cuisines to participating in traditional festivals, waiting to be woven into your travel tales. Turn the page, pack your bags, embark on your own adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The world is vast and full of wonders, just waiting for you to explore.